Hi guys, so this is how to change your oil filter on a Mk4 VW Polo. We'll start by taking off the engine cover. And it's right here, as you can see. So next you'll need a socket wrench with a 32mm socket attached to that to be able to loosen the filter cap. You might have to give it a good welly, it might be a bit stiff from the heat if you've just run your car or if you've not changed it in a long time. There's quite a lot of black oil coming from the filter, so I made sure to change the oil before this video. So I'd recommend you changing your filter and your oil at the same time. Otherwise, if you change your filter before you've changed your oil, there's no point, because you'll just be soaking bad oil into your new filter, which will go back into the system when you replace the oil. So you'll want to put the new seal on the filter cap as well. You just need some pliers to take that off and replace it. So we'll just fit the new filter now. With the cap with the new seal. Just make it hand tight and then we'll go over it with a socket wrench. When we're done, we just need to put the engine cover back on. Hope this video helped. Hope you have a good day.